at the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. I always used to hear older people talk about generational curses. Careful what you do, because things might drop on all the next generation. There are some families where some things happen to them, and you have to really wonder. It's spooky. Long time supporters, remember, paid them a drop 3 years ago. The incident took place June 2021. A pregnant woman by the name of Tashika Mckay. She was killed by her boyfriend, Markland Hills, who would end up dying in custody. The residents, after them find out that Markland killed Tashika, rush on upon him to try to kill him. The police save him, carry him to the station. When him in the station, they take him one life. His family claim say, "A damn carry him down to go kill him." When I made the video, I tell them, say, just use some common sense, please. All police had to do was just, quote unquote, get delayed and just make the people them batter him and kill him. They were going to kill him. They saved his life. To save his life, to then carry him down a station to go kill him in the station where things get way more complicated, and now you have to go explain yourself to Indicom and explain yourself to this and explain yourself to that. It don't make no sense when they could just left him and the people and kill him. Right? I him kill himself. This is what happens in these cases most time. Right? When these crime of, quote unquote, crime of passion, right? One partner kill one and then take them life afterwards. Tashika Mckay. That was 3 years ago. Well, guess what's happening now? Tashika Mckay have a relative named Rosemary Mckay. My blood. Guess what? She's now dead. Her boyfriend kill her and kill himself. The same story like Tashika. So as usual, when time them things are go down, reports are fresh and people are saying, discard that, just like you know, where the early reports don't go down. So the youth who did the killing in this instant, the man who killed Rosemary, is a youth named Ethan. Ethan and Rosemary are one of them acidic, one of them volatile relationship there, where when time them upset, they rush on upon each other and, they fight regular. Look like a two people who don't believe in her back down. Ethan have a next baby mother, she must have a round robin. And Rosemary tell him, say him no fi go. Ethan never listen to her and still go. Rosemary decides say she not take disrespect. So, them fight. Argument go on, lead to a fight. And one a fling and lick and next one a fling and lick. A fight. They both swear say them a go kill each other. Right? Them say you are go dead. Next one say you are go dead. That's why I'm telling you, there's life and death in the power of the tongue. Two of them after the initial fight say you must dead. And next one say you must dead too. Two of them end up being right. So after the fight go on, the girl go home. Don't make them talk, say, next time I see you, they go dead. Rosemary was actually supposed to be flying out. If you go, small island, a year or two ago. She's been living in Antigua for a while. But she drop a Ironman sometimes. The youth now, Ethan, him now decide, say, him a got the house too. Him bridging them tell him say don't go. Just left that my youth. Don't go. Things still heated now. Just make it blow over. Don't bother no more confrontation. Ethan should have listened to his friends. Him still got the house. Now here's when things take a sharp turn. No pun intended. Because when him reach the house, stabbing start going. But you see, before Ethan take him own life, him call people, call even his mother and tell her exactly what happened. He called his mother and told her he was going to hang himself. I can imagine no parent would ever want to get a call like that. Call and say, I'm going to hang myself because just kill Rosemary. But him did want to tell them what happened before him dead. According to him, man, I tell you what him say. Him say when him reach at the yard, she rush him and stab him. And him start fight again. During this fight, him know. Start stab her up too, cause them a fight. But this time, knife involved. After him stab her up, Ethan killed Rosemary. He then set the house on fire, call the people them now, in family them and tell them say, call him mother and tell her say, he might go kill himself. Cause he can't live with himself now. And then go off to actually hang himself. The videos, I'm actually looking at the videos now of Ethan hanging on the tree. I'm also looking at the videos of Rosemary burned to a crisp. They might remove her remains from the scene and there's not much remains to begin with. She's probably the size, or remains is probably the size of a baby, burned to nothing. And I'm looking at Ethan hanging on a tree. Up close, people say them see stab wounds in his side. When you look on the video, you see like him shirt side, you can see like where he was bleeding from his side. Which would corroborate what him tell his mother say. When him got the house, she stabbed him. And him start stab her back and she dead. So, again, no, obviously I haven't done no autopsy. I'm just looking at the video. Based on what I can see, based on what the people them said, them see when them go, they go look on him actual body hanging because a big crowd draw around him. It look like him get stabbed real in him side. But obviously, the stab them never kill him because he was conscious enough to make a call, tell him mother what him gonna do and then go kill himself. In them story, there's always lots of he say, she say, and especially when the two different families them come together now, you go hear say, well, she never do that, and you go hear him never do that, and you go hear, and she make him do that, or you hear him make she do that. Now, let me just say this. At this point, it don't matter who they fling the first thump, and who kick who, and who stab who, because two of them dead. I don't want to spend too much time on who did say this, and who did this, who, and who stabbed who first. All them things them, right? You can put by the story together, but when the two people them dead, it don't actually matter at that point. If one was alive and you try to get a conviction or something, then that's when you'd focus on that. But the two of them dead. Them call them things like crime of passion. I tell you talk to you. I know say there will always be these type of murders, but enough of them preventable. Everybody is so bad. Everybody not take no this, nobody not watch me and you have to go dead. Two people who lie down in a bed, kiss up, hug up, rub a dub up. Get to a stage where the two of them are go down to the grave. Two people who at one point, right, sit down in a lap and bust bump in a face. Exchange saliva cannot work out them disputes to the point where the two of them end up dead. A story all too familiar. Ethan friend them tell him say, don't go to the yard. He should have listened. Remember say, me telling them say, we know. So enough time them they tell the full story. They make it sound like the female is just some sweet damsel. Enough time the woman them very aggressive and fling and lick and rush and all kind of things. We know that. Worse if she go say I don't look at one thing we touch him nerves. Yeah, go ahead. That's why you can't last no more than 10 seconds for an eagle eye or something like so. Man, eagle get crushed, can't get crushed. Score off a second. No, it don't have a second. Not like this. If you gone back at the house knowing say, when you just done fight and I go fight again, and you know the type of woman you have, and you know Rosemary you probably go rush her again, bro, not for use on the brain more. Get out on the feelings and using the brain more. Should have avoided that house. Looking at Ethan and looking at Rosemary in an all-out combat. The odds would be against Rosemary in a care bad she want be. Ladies in a care how bad you want be. I know so when you tell yourself so when you can do this like man and do this like man. In an all-out combat to the death, the odds are against you. Him say she fling the first stab and she still end up dead. When you underestimate man's strength, especially looking at Ethan, him look young and athletic. The odds are against Rosemary. I talk to the man, you know, it's a Jamaican woman. You know, it's a Caribbean women are internationally renowned. Right? We're having tongues. Right? We're cut hotter than knife. When you know that, trying to get into some kind of contest usually ends up in somebody dying. Because she has the things will burn you to your soul and you can't compete in the tracing contest. You can't compete in a whose words can cut hotter. So now, what do you resort to? What does a man resort to? What a man know best? Physical. Even if she try fling on the first two lick. When him start fling on back lick, somebody dead. Conflict resolution amongst couples, amongst Ironman people in general is lacking. This kill woman and kill self after thing can't work, brother. Can't work. I don't care what him do. I don't care what she do. It can't reach this so. Can't reach this so. Happening too much. Them call it murder-suicide. Usually it's the man kill the woman and take him on alive. Them think they sound romantic in the stories them tell about way back in the day. Their love was so great that after she died, he took his own life. Brother, cut out them foolishness there. 2024, we're gonna do them thing there again. We're gonna do them girl clown thing. Right. Live, youth. Live. Make the woman live too. We're not throw away a lifetime over a moment. That's all it is in a youth. A moment, you know. The cure bad it is a moment. Don't throw away a lifetime over a moment. No matter how bad it be, trust me, you'll get over it. No matter how embarrassing it is, you will get over it. This kill woman and take life thing can't work, youth. Can't work. Don't tell me say, but the woman bad dog and the woman a finger and lick for me. Then when you sit down there with her do. A lot of men complain about women and then sit down. So that woman see me. I tell me about, yeah but bro, how me know say me I get one next woman? You need to leave this position of scarcity when you're stuck in her. Woman not short a road, my youth. If you see a woman is too violent and too aggressive and love war and love fling and this, then go find the next woman, brethren. Woman that road. Like how mosquito that Portmore. You know much woman lie down at night time, lonely one man. You know much woman want a strong man, strong back, highly back man in their life. You know much woman at night time, I try to open up all the jar and a batter with the cork. And I say, "Chow man, if me have a little man in your house, you know much woman one man." I'm not talking about, yeah but bro, we can't live for a cause. After me know what got me after that, you're thinking you're stuck in a position of scarcity. Any woman who display any tendencies, right, when me find unacceptable, she have to go. We're not compatible. Because if me realize she love fling and lick, and she love run go for knife and stab, then eventually one of we must dead. Me can't see woman love fling and lick and love bust up face and sit down there. Right? 10 years I talk about, yeah but bro, but what you want me do? No, if I think them want to find funny, me run joke with. I do not subscribe to the idea that the typical like Jamaica is just full of all these sweet innocent damsels just walking around. We know say the Irish woman can be very feisty. We know say the Irish woman, some of them can be very aggressive and violent. We've seen this, brutish, we've seen it. You can't control other people, you can only control yourself. Which is why you have to remove yourself from the situation. If you see a woman have certain tendencies, and again, I talk to the man because of them normal to the killing. If you see a woman have certain tendencies, you can't stick around for that and tolerate it because of an eagle eye and then know I come ball about the tendencies. Grow some cojones. Either you're going to make it clear that this is unacceptable, this can't work. If she don't respect you enough to listen, then this is where you truly display quote unquote big man behavior. Now you're going to say, alright, I'm show you this already. I'm going to tell you something, I'm going to deal with them kind of things and you still come back with it, look more. That is what true big man do. Trying to win a chasing match with a woman is foolish. You're going to commit murder. Because you're going to say some things will cut you down to your bone. And your head will chip. And you'll do stupid things. If a woman demonstrates she don't have enough respect for me, or if we not cross certain boundaries, we can't stay together. I don't care what she look like. As a matter of fact, I've been there before where women we find very attractive and things come out of their mouth, them do certain actions and them fall down the attraction scale. Start off at 8 and by the time she open her mouth and say certain things and do certain things, she reach down at 2 and it come like me and look on a gargoyle. We have to do better. As a country, as a culture, as a society, we have to do better. Anyway, Patreon squad, be open yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.